If you want to quickly find all the emails that have attachments in Yahoo Mail, this video will show you the fastest way to do it. This is really useful when you're trying to locate files, invoices, photos, or documents without searching through your entire inbox manually. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look down toward the left side and find the three dots, or the More Options button, near the bottom of the sidebar. Click that menu to expand more tools and options inside Yahoo Mail. From the list that appears, look for the Attachments option and click it. Yahoo Mail will now filter your mailbox and show you only the messages that include attachments. This is the easiest way to view all attachment-containing emails in one place without having to search one by one. If you have a lot of emails, this can save you a ton of time and help you find files much faster. You can then open any message from the filtered list to view, download, or forward the attached file. If you need to narrow things down even more, you can still use Yahoo Mail Search after that, but the Attachments view is the quickest starting point. So, just to recap, open Yahoo Mail, click the three dots in the lower left, and then select Attachments to see all emails with files attached. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.